that. It's like making coffee or tea when you're steeping in rain or when you steep the hops. It really smells great in here when that happens. It adds a little extra work, but I make sure to drink extra.
That's all the questions for the tour.
Get my work back to work. But, I mean, that's about it. It's not too big of an operation. We have the mash tun here, kettle here, and then back there there's a tank of just hot water and a tank of just cold water. So having both of them on hand during a brew, we can mix some to get any temperature water we want rather than heating up water really hot and waiting for it to cool back down. We have, like into the mash tun, we'll run both of those tanks at once, and we have the valves up there to adjust to get 170 degree water where we want to, right around there, depending on what beer it is, 171 and 168 for ideal striking temperature for an ideal extraction. And then some beers, bigger beers like Imperial Stout and Barley Wine,
I'm just going to throw these on YouTube later for
further
whole class.
concentrated, boil off some of the water, make it a stronger batch. And those ones also, we try to, after we transfer beer out of the fermenter, the yeast is still sitting on the bottom. We'll try to we harvest it out of there, take a sample and put it under a microscope to see the ratio of living to dead cells, to see if there's any bacteria in it, the ratio of bacteria to living cells, to decide whether or not we're going to use it again in the next batch. When you do that, you can acclimate yeast to a higher alcohol content. So like if you had an Imperial Stout, you have the 700 pounds of extracted 700 pounds of grain, you extract a lot of sugar. You have near syrup when you're boiling it. You boil it longer, boil some of the water off. So if you just put dry yeast in there, the alcohol is going to kill the yeast. So you have to start, like we try to start it with a brown ale, move it to a porter, and then it's ready for a Imperial Stout or barley wine.